Hi friends, you're welcome back to my channel. In this prototyping video, I'll show you how to prototype LinkedIn loading screen. So I'm going to import my desktop frame, and I'm going to also import LinkedIn icon. So I'm going to run Iconify and I'm going to search for LinkedIn icon. I need the blue LinkedIn icon. So okay, let me use 48, that's fine. Also, I'm going to have a text linked. So I'm going to make this Tahoma. So I'm going to bold in this and also increase this to 48. Alright, so I'm going to select this and pick my blue from the icon. Going to place this here. Now I'm going to press F on my keyboard. I want to import a frame, just a small frame. So let the frame, I can just make it small. So I'm going to creep content. Okay, my content is already creeped. Now the essence of creeping content is so that anything I place inside this frame will not appear beyond the frame, will not appear beyond the margin. So I'm going to make this 4 corner radius. Now I'm going to have a rectangle. My rectangle, so I'm going to give this a corner radius of 4. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to fix this. I'm also going to pick my blue. Okay, I'm going to select the blue. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to move this back. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to create a component and add a variant, and I'm also going to select this and I'm going to move this to the other side. Alright, I think that's fine. Alright, so next I'm going to go to prototype. I'm going to prototype and connect this to this. I'm going to say after delay, so I'm going to make this fast. It's going to swipe fast, so I'm going to change the frame at 20 milliseconds, so it has to smart animate. So I'm going to make this easing back because I want it to jerk once it goes inside. So, and this also has to go back, so I'm going to drag back after delay. So this has to be 20 milliseconds, easing back. So this 700 milliseconds. Let me see. So this has to be 700 milliseconds. I think that's fine. So I'm going to select these and let me go back to design. So I'm going to make this just reduce this to 82. So this also has to be 82. And that's fine. So I'm going to select the frame. I'm also going to give this about 30 because that's not purely white color. that's not white actually. So I will now go to assets and I'm going to drag these in here. So I'm going to position this. Okay, that's fine. So let's present this to see if that works fine. So I'm going to run this now. Alright, that's working fine. As you can see, that's working fine. Alright, friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.